Have you ever wished for success to come faster? Maybe you're working hard right now, dreaming of something big, a business, a career, a better life. But no matter how much effort you put in, it feels like nothing is working. If you've ever felt that way, this story is for you. Years ago, in a busy marketplace, there was a strange little shop hidden between tall buildings. There was no signboard, no decorations, just one sentence written on the door. I sell success. People laughed at it whenever they passed by. They thought it was a joke. Who could sell success? One evening, a frustrated young man named Arjun walked by. He had tried many businesses, failed several times, and was ready to give up. Out of curiosity, or maybe desperation, he opened the door. Inside, he found an old shopkeeper sitting calmly. "Do you really sell success?" Arjun asked. The shopkeeper smiled. "Yes, I sell the two things that create success." Arjun immediately pulled out his wallet. "How much? I'll buy it." The shopkeeper shook his head. "You can't buy them with money. You must earn them." He walked towards two dusty jars kept on a shelf. The first jar labeled time, and the second one said patience. "These," the old man said, "are the two real ingredients of success. Without them, nothing you do will work. With them, everything becomes possible." Arjun frowned. "Time? Patience? That's it? I need results now, not years later." The shopkeeper gently poured some sand from the first jar into Arjun's hand. "Time is like this sand. You can waste it by letting it slip away, or you can use it to build something strong. The choice is always yours." Then he opened the second jar and placed a single pearl in Arjun's palm. "This pearl is patience. Without it, you will quit right before success arrives. Most people fail not because they can't achieve something, but because they give up too soon." Arjun stood silently. For the first time, he understood why all his past efforts had failed. He wanted everything fast. That day, he left the shop, not with money spent, but with wisdom earned. He stopped rushing. He made a plan. He worked every day. Progress was slow, but he didn't stop. He learned, improved. Months passed, then years. And one day, success finally came. Not because of luck, not because of shortcuts, but because he held tightly to the two treasures most people ignore: time and patience. My friend, look at your own life. You already have these two treasures too. The question is, are you using them or wasting them? Success is never denied. It is only delayed, waiting for the one who has enough patience to receive it and enough respect for time to earn it. So from today, stop asking, "When will my time come?" and start preparing for it. Because with time in your hands and patience in your heart, nothing in this world can stop you.